Welcome to new in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So just first you should open your notification panel, and right there you'll see the edit icon. Tap here, and now just as can you see here, we got all our visible icons on our notification panel, and this down section with these icons, they are just hide, and one from these icons you can add to your notification panel. How to do that? That's really easy. You just should hold for a while this application and drag it here to this up section, for example here, and by the same way you can here add one more or two or three more icons, that doesn't matter. And just to save the changes you should go back, and as can you see here, we got the new icons in our notification panel. And just if you want to remove the icon from your notification panel, by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. So that's really simple, right? And just if you want to change the positions of the icons here on your screen, just hold for a while and drag it to the another position by this way. For example, the second icon will be the NFC, and the third one is the battery. So that's it. As can you see, that's really easy. And thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.